SuperSport United head coach Gavin Hunt offered a high praise for Kaizer Chiefs' emerging talent Dortley after a narrow 1-0 victory over Amakhosi in the Betway Premiership at the new Peter Mokaba Stadium on Saturday night. The win marked a bounce back for SuperSport, who had previously suffered two consecutive losses to Orlando Pirates in league play and Kaizer Chiefs in the Carling Knockout Cup. In the post-match press conference, Hunt was asked about the performance of a 20-year-old defender, Bilal Baloyi, who debuted for SuperSport last season and has been gaining traction as one of the league's promising young talents. Hunt compared Baloyi's development to that of Chiefs Dortley, who he described as magnificent and arguably the best player under Chiefs head coach Nasruddin Nabi, and said Baloyi made his debut against Pirates last year and I thought he was outstanding. We won that game 3-1 and he was a standout. Since then, like many young players, he's had ups and downs, but he's got huge potential. Left-footed centre-backs are rare and invaluable, and players like Dortley highlight just how impactful they can be. Dortley, a defender whom Hunt views as Chiefs' best player, has been a solid fixture in Nabi's team, with Hunt stressing the importance of nurturing unique talents like his. The coach emphasizes on left-footed centre-backs, underscores how they are a prized asset in modern football due to their tactical versatility and rarity. As for Baloy, Saturday's match was only his second appearance this season, having last played in SuperSport's MTN 8 quarterfinal against Orlando Pirates. Hunt believes the youngster has much more to offer and expects him to take on a larger role as the season progresses, and said Baloy has the skills and the potential to become a key player for us. He needs to step up and show what he's capable of because talents like his don't come around often. The praise for both Dortley and Baloy highlights Hunt's eye for defensive talent and his commitment of developing young players with the potential to shine in South African football. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.